Welcome back, everyone. Today in our basic Excel course, we're going to learn about a very handy feature, grouping data in Excel. Grouping allows you to organize your data so it looks clearer and more visually appealing, giving you an intuitive overview of your information. To start, select the rows you want to group together. Once you've highlighted the data range, go to the Data tab and click on the Group option. This action groups the selected rows into one collapsible section. For example, if you have customer data from the USA, you can group those rows together. When you want to hide this grouped data, simply click the minus sign next to the group and the rows will collapse and disappear from view. This makes your worksheet less cluttered and easier to navigate. If you want to see the grouped data again, just click the plus sign, and the rows will expand back out so you can review the information. You can apply the same method to other sets of data too. Just select the next range you want to group, click Group again, and repeat the process. Now your data is neatly grouped into sections that you can expand or collapse with a simple click. If you decide you no longer want to keep the groups, removing them is easy. Select the grouped data, go back to the Data tab and choose Ungroup. Click OK, and the groups will be removed, leaving all the data fully visible again. Grouping is a simple yet powerful tool to keep your spreadsheets organized and to help you focus on the parts of your data that matter most at any given time. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to follow along with the next videos in this basic Excel course to keep improving your skills.